So the exams that you target is coming from the B schools that you're targeting. And while there are thousands of B schools in India, what I would recommend, the maximum that you should target is the top 40 or the top 50 B schools, right? These are B schools where you have 100% placements, 100% bank loans, and your average starting salary is at least 10 to 12 lakhs. Now, I would definitely encourage that you go even above that and you say that, no, I want to get into only IIMs, or I want to get into Blackie, or top 3, or, top 5, top 10, whatever it is, right? But this should be sort of like the bare minimum target that you have, for which, for a general candidate, somewhere around 85 to 90 percentile would be sufficient to get at least some calls. So for this, the exams that you're looking to target, first and most important, of course, is CAT. Majority of the institutes in these top 40 or 50 are looking at your CAT score. Along with that, you also have XAT for XLRI, Jamshedpur, and a bunch of other B schools. You have SNAP for the Symbiosis Institutes, NMAT for the NMIMS Institutes, and maybe a few more exams such as CMAT, MHCT, and so on. But these 4 would be the most important exams. Now, if you're stressing out saying, oh, till now I was only prepping for CAT, I haven't even started the prep for these exams, or oh my God, now I have to take so many exams, relax. Because the syllabus for all of these exams is about 80 to 90% similar. It's more of the format and maybe 1 or 2 additional topics which come up. But more importantly, all of these exams work as backups for each other. All of them can get you into top 20 B schools. And say, for example, you're taking CAT, you're sitting in your center, you have 45 minutes before the exam starts, and you're seeing people around you, and you're stressing out because this one day, these 2 hours is what's going to have a huge impact on your career. Now, if you've already taken the NMAT exam and you know that you've got 250 marks, and you're definitely getting a call from NMIMS Mumbai and a bunch of other B schools, what will happen is you'll be a lot more relaxed, and even your CAT exam is going to go much better. So all of these exams are backups, and they'll also reduce your stress level because you know that you need to do well in one exam. So if some exam goes badly, it's still fine because you still have 2 or 3 more exams which are there. Second, your strengths might work better in some or the other exam. So if your speed is really good, then you do really well in SNAP. If you tend to be a little nervous, XAT might work better for you because it's a long exam with no sectional timers. So whatever your prep, whatever advantages or disadvantages you have, there'll probably be some exam or some institute which will work for you. So have a high target and do sign up on Mockat.com and start off your prep right away.